Good morning everybody, how is all going? Looks like we're having a beautiful day today. It's Thursday before Easter. As some of you know, winter's just around the corner. So I've gone and pulled this generator out and its battery was dead flat. So I've just been giving it a service. It was left empty with no fuel in it. It's got fresh fuel and everything in it. I tried to pull start this and get it running without the battery. I don't know, I can't be as strong as I used to, because no matter how hard I pulled that damn thing, I couldn't get it started. Anyway, the battery was dead flat. I can't bring it back to life. And I'm just reading the top here, I don't know if you can see that, but it's 2017 07 13. So I'd say that's battery. I'm not even going to mess about trying to charge it. So we went and got this little lithium battery. I don't know if it's the right size or whatever. I did ask Solar King, they're umming and ahhing about making starter batteries. I really wish you would, Solar King. Please make starter batteries, because I know I'll be getting really nice quality batteries. Not the same. Look, I got no idea about this battery, okay? What it's like. It's for small engines. And that's what this is. This is a very small engine in here. It's minuscule. There it is down that end. It is tiny. I think that's it, is it? No, that's it at this end. Yeah, there it is there. There's the cylinder head, spark plug. It is a tiny little engine. So the battery should be fine for it. This is the inverter side on this side here. There's the inverter there. Yeah, don't get it wet. Anyway, that's where the battery goes. We're just cleaning it up now, trying to get all the little marks off. Not that they will. This looks like some sort of bug poop here. Alright, I'll come back when I get it all back together again. This is just a typical, very typical sort of service I do before each winter. Drop the oils, put new oils in, clean the strainer that's in the bottom of this motor, air filter, and just check it, make sure nothing's been chewed by mice. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. This battery's got a little voltage thing at the top here. Not that it worries me, it'll be in there and I won't see it ever again, hopefully. Okay, back later. Okie doke, I got it all back together again and give it a bit of a clean and checked it all out. Now this is a small battery charger that actually came with this battery. This little battery is about 4 amp hours. The one that came out of it I think is about a 5 amp hour one, I'm not sure. It doesn't say. Again, it's just I've never heard of that brand. It came with a generator, so it's been in there since I got the generator. Now this came with a little battery charger that's fully charged. It's came with an adapter plug because it comes with this weird looking plug here. I don't know what that's for, but this battery charger will take an input from 100 to 240 volt AC, both 50 to 60 hertz, so it's a universal charger. It's full, the green light came on, so it's time to There's a little adapter it came with. Not a very good answer. I mean, if you're going to sell in Australia, at least order the right chargers. That's what I'm saying. So now I've just got to use 2 hands again, mount this in here, and we'll see if it goes. Alright, now the charge voltage when fully charged on this battery is 14.4 volts. 3 volts, 4 volts. Alright, Ziggy, can you just hold that? Okay, so when you mount these, make sure you mount them in with a positive and negative the correct way. Oh, that's in nice and firm. It's not on the switch at the top there, see that? The little button, it's not on the button. I always, like I say, I always connect the positive first. Some people say, oh, you should connect negative first, blah, 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 blah. Like I said in another video, I'm not getting into any arguments on that. You connect them the way you want to connect them, and I'll connect them the way I want to connect them. Just don't connect the wrong ones, because you'll blow these lithium batteries up. Like, don't try and connect the negative to the positive. And then they go, it didn't work, and ask for a refund when it was your own stupid fault. Oh, I'm gonna, yeah, that's pretty good. I'm gonna put that up there like that. Alright, we'll see if it goes, shall we, in a second? See, this little 4 amp hours enough to start this tiny little generator. Can you go on the other side of me, love? Over here. Alright. We'll put some fuel in this, so open. Oh, open. Now that's closed, that's open. That fuel is that on there like that or not? Or is that off?
It's on.
It's on?
Yep.
We'll give it a bit of choke. Put the wheel brake on. Feels primed. More choke, should have left it on a bit longer. Alright, it's alive! It's alive, Siggy.
Good.
Good, she's marvellous. So I'm going to finish putting this back together, and then I'm going to run it out of fuel, and then we'll put some 98 octane in it, and it's ready to go if needed this winter. Marvellous. This is quite a few years old now, this generator. Mind you, last year we put just under 20 litres through it to power our house, because we got the solar just works marvellous. There's only a few really nasty days that it doesn't work. But that little 4 amp hour battery handles the starting of this. No worries at all. It's got heaps of juice in it, heaps and heaps and heaps. All right, I'll finish putting it back together and give it a run. That's it. Keep safe, everyone. It's just something we do this time every year before Easter, just before the cold winter starts to kick in. We service the generator. I'll also service the little Honda later, the little 2.2 Honda generator, and test it all. Got to test everything. No good comes time to need it and you haven't tested it and you find out your battery's flat and it's going to take you 3 days to get another one, and you know, little bit of prep work and you're good to go. Keep safe, everybody. Bye for now.